Squeaky wood floors driving you crazy? You can totally fix that noise without calling some fancy pro. So, first up, grab some talcum powder or graphite and sprinkle it right between the floorboards where they creak. This helps reduce friction and quiets things down fast. Then, check for any loose nails or screws. If you find some, just tighten them up with a screwdriver or hammer to keep those boards from shifting. If the squeak is still there, you might want to add extra support under the floor by installing some subfloor braces or blocking between joists. Sometimes the wood moves because it's not properly secured underneath, so this really helps. Don't forget to walk around and listen carefully to spot all the squeaky spots. You don't want to miss any. Keep your floors clean and dry too, because moisture can make wood swell or shrink and cause noise. And if you're up for it, a quick sanding and refinishing can smooth things out and prevent future creaks. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing squeaky wood floors is ignoring loose nails or screws. Just tightening these can solve a ton of problems. Another common issue is not addressing the subfloor support. If you skip that, the squeaks will come back because the floor is still unstable. Lastly, many folks forget about the spaces between boards where friction causes noise. Applying talcum powder or graphite here is a simple fix many overlook. Fix these right, and your floors will feel rock solid and quiet again. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like squeaky floors without the stress. Contractors also get a chance to connect with tons of folks needing their skills, making it easier to get work and build a solid reputation.